Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm vlogging a little late today because I thought I wasn't gonna vlog today, but then I figured, you know what? I'm gonna start vlogging because I like watching vlogs. Today I thought that I would vlog. As you can see, I am not at home. I'm actually at work. I've been like by myself all day. I don't even know if anyone else is coming into the office. I mean, I just peeked out the window into the parking lot and there's cars, but I don't really know where everyone is. So yeah, I am just doing some work right now. I'm gonna take you guys along to my lunch break, which is in about, I don't know, like 45-ish minutes. So yeah, we're gonna get some lunch, have some lunch, and then we'll see what happens after that. So all right guys, I picked up my lunch, and last time, or all weekend, this elevator like wasn't working. So I'm glad it's working because now we didn't have to go all the way around. That would have really sucked. So I can't wait to see my cat. Hi baby, what you doing? I'm actually back home, but my camera is a little low on battery, so I'm charging it right now. So in the meantime, like I really need to go in like 2 minutes. In the meantime, excuse me. In the meantime, while that charges for the next like 2 minutes, I am going to make myself an iced coffee. So I got a to-go cup. Let me get some ice. I also already ate my lunch. I ate it like immediately the second I walked in. Oh, we need more ice. So yesterday I went to the store and I saw that they had this. I've never seen this like lighter version of the stock cold brew, so I'm gonna try it today. I think my boyfriend had some this morning. Just gonna shake it a little, pour it in my cup, just a tad, and then I'm going to add probably I'm gonna add vanilla, just a couple pumps. I'm literally like, I can't believe I have a whole ass like coffee bar. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna make vanilla sweet cream cold foam, so let's do that. That froths up, you can cuddle your cute cat. Did you handsome? This is Oliver. He's my baby, my child. The reason I do everything. You're so cute. Okay, that's good enough. And you just pour it over top like that. I made a little too much, but you get the idea. Alright guys, I'm vlogging on my camera now. So hopefully the quality now is a little better than the iPhone. It's not gonna be the greatest because I don't have the newest and greatest camera, but you know, whatever. Anyway, enough of me rambling. I'm now leaving my apartment complex and I am rushing back to work per usual. 30 minutes is just like not long enough. So we're gonna get there when we do. Anyway, I'll see you guys there.
Five hours later.
The last time that I filmed a little bit of me, what do you call it, working, but now I am done with my, well, I'm not done with work. I mean, I have so much, but I'm off for the day. It's 4:30 now, so that's exciting. I'm actually going to go to Trader Joe's right now because I need to get some missing ingredients for the dinner that I'm making later. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do. So I will be sure to bring you guys along. Sorry, it's like so bright. update. We are leaving Trader Joe's. I actually had a woman come up to me and ask me about my hair, so I was like chit-chatting with her for like 2 minutes. But yeah, now we are going home, and then I'll show you guys what I got when I get there. I'm back from Trader Joe's, so I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. First and foremost, I got some peonies. These are extremely hard to find, and Trader Joe's had like very few, so I snagged a little bouquet. Hopefully they bloom for me. The best ice cream. These are the Hold the Cone mini ice cream cones. These are so good. Shaved Brussels sprouts for what I'm going to cook tonight. This looked good. It's the vegetable and soba noodle stir fry kit. So I'm gonna have that with this shrimp. So hopefully that comes out good. I got these. I love these. These are the pork gyoza pot stickers. And then I just got some like spices. I got 21 seasoning salute because we ran out. I got lemon pepper. I got regular black pepper, just ground. Balsamic glaze for the Brussels. And then the last thing is the chili onion crunch oil. I'm gonna try this with the pot stickers. Hopefully it's good, but yeah, that was it. And it was like $45. So expensive, but anyway, I'm gonna get to cooking now. Okay, so I thought that I would update you guys on what I was doing now. So I just finished making and eating dinner, so I'm just gonna like chill for a second because I'm tired now. I'm just in my room. So yeah, I wanted to go to Zara, but it's closing in like less than an hour, and I just don't want to be rushed, so I'm not gonna go. Maybe I'll go tomorrow, like right after work. So yeah, but that's pretty much all that I'm doing. I'm just gonna like hang out, chill, and yeah, maybe clean this room because you can't really tell. It's a mess. Like, my bed's not made. It's just a disaster. So I might do that. We'll see. I don't know. But yeah.